The Vivadent Aeorosol Reduction Gel is an innovation that meets the requirements of professional tooth cleaning and thus facilitates your everyday prophylaxis work. The water-soluble gel reduces up to 99% of the aerosol produced by ultrasonic scalers. The gel is dosed and mixed in no time at all. You can easily integrate it into your daily preparatory work. During treatment, you don't need any instruments to reduce the quantity of aerosol. What's more, the reduced quantity of aerosol produced by ultrasonic scalers will improve the visibility of your treatment area. As a result, this will facilitate your professional tooth cleaning procedures. Also, for your patients, the gel provides a more comfortable experience. Less aerosol means less splatter on the face. The patient's makeup will remain nearly unaffected and their glasses will stay clean. At the same time, the likelihood of spreading airborne diseases and cross-contamination is effectively minimized. Vivadent Aerosol Reduction Gel. Less aerosol, more comfort. For you and your patients.